guys, welcome to my Towel Creations channel, and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. This is the channel where you can learn how to fold towels art and towel animals from a small, medium and large, and some combinations of the towel sizes into different shapes. If you think this channel is useful for you guys, you can subscribe this channel, and if you don't like to get any notifications from this channel, you don't have to subscribe. You just watch this tutorial, that's fair enough. So today I'm going to show you how to make an elephant in a new style. So I name it like that, an elephant in a new style. So without further delay, watch me work. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you can make it after watching it. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.